Welcome dear students to PNMRC e-learning classes. So children, today we are going to learn the activity number 3. Below you can see 3 of Van Gogh paintings. One picture is a self-portrait. That means it is a painting that Van Gogh painted of himself. The way an artist paints, the colors he chooses, and the shapes he likes are all parts of his style. Van Gogh paintings are all of different subjects, but the style of all three is the same, meaning that in each of his paintings he used the colors and shapes that he liked. Look at his paintings carefully. What colors and shapes do you think that Van Gogh liked? These are part of his style. So children, you can see the paintings made by Van Gogh here. Let's use words to describe the style of a painter. To describe Van Gogh's style, name at least 3 things that all the paintings have in common. Use as many describing words as you can. Children, what you have to do is you have to describe at least 3 things that all the paintings have in common. Children, here the space is given in the textbook and you have to write the answer in these colored blanks. So children, we are going to describe Van Gogh's style, name at least 3 things that all the paintings have in common. Use as many describing words as you can. To describe Van Gogh's style of painting, we can derive the following 3 common features. The first one is all of them show small strokes of brush, making streaks and forming various lines, that is swirly lines. Number second, all of them show that they are mixtures of different colors. Vivid colors convey passionate feelings of the painter. Chiefly, we can see different shades of blue. Number 3, he must be using big, medium and small brushes to form lines that give impression of 3D shapes. Next question given in the textbook that you have to describe words did you see that you have to do by yourself. Next is activity number 4. So in this activity we are going to learn about what is a Rangoli. Rangoli is an integral part of Indian culture. On festivals we prepare Rangoli to welcome God and guests. Following are some beautiful Rangolis. Write down the things and colors used in these Rangolis. We use gypsum color, flowers, leaves, lamps, sawdust, grains to prepare Rangoli. Share your answers with your friends. Talk to them about which thing, color, shape you like the most. Record your ideas on the chart. So children, here a chart is given. You have to write down what are the things you have used for Rangoli, what are the colors you are using and which painting or which drawing you like the most to draw a Rangoli. Children, in the textbook you can see some of the paintings of Rangoli are given here. So the chart is given here. Go through it. The things are given. Number 1, gypsum colors, lamps, flower petals, green leaves. The colors used are yellow, maroon, green and red. And you like the most is lamp set on the periphery. Number 2, gypsum colors. The color is red and the design is peacock. Gypsum colors that are powdered, green, yellow, red and blue. And the design it is given is a shape. Number 4, gypsum colors and the crayons. And the colors used here are green, brown, red and yellow. And the design which is made, it is entire landscape. So this chart, the answers you have to copy in your textbook itself, children. Understood? So next is discuss in group or pair and conclude 5 essential qualities and skills to be a good Rangoli artist. Use the language expressions like the Rangoli artist should have, he or she should be, or he or she should know how to do the Rangoli, etc. So basically the Rangoli artist should have a sense of art. He should have a good drawing skill. He should have skill to put shapes or objects in a good proportion. He should have the sense of finding beauty and grace in the things around him and in the elements of nature. He should have sense of selecting colors and making blends of them. He should have the ability or specially developed sense to know different moods of human beings and natural living and non-living objects. He or she should know how to make the things look beautiful. Finally, he or she should have the knowledge of making rangolis apt for different occasions and festivals. So, children, today we have completed activity number 3 and 4, which is related to an artist and the rangoli. Hope you like this video. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.